Solving fraction word problem using block model and shortcut. This is best for grade 5. Color one half of a rectangle, then cut out 5/6 of the colored parts. What fraction of the rectangle is cut out? Gagamitan muna natin ng block model. We have yung first figure, which is actually one half yan ng rectangle. So, ibig sabihin, one half ito, then may another one half. Since yung second statement ay may 5/6 of the colored parts daw, so mag-ano muna, i-divide ko muna itong rectangle by 6 per figure. Bali itong one half, i-divide ko yan by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, one half yan. So, ibig sabihin, another na naman, continue ko lang yung counting or another bars. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kung napapansin natin, yung first half is 1 to 6. Syempre, exactly the same yan dapat sa another one half. Now, cut out 5/6 of the colored parts. E di syempre, yung 6 na divisions sa first figure or first half, 5 lang doon ang i-color natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hanggang 5 lang tayo. Kasi 5/6 lang man daw ang i-cut out. Pero remember, there are 12 units, 12 bars. Okay. What fraction of the rectangle is cut out? So, based sa illustration, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over 12. Kasi evenly divided man yan. Equally divided. So, there are 12 bars. So, since 5 lang man ang colored, or cut out over the whole or total number of bars or units. So, our answer is 5 over 12. How about the shortcut method? Madali lang. Just simply multiply. Let me rewrite the one half, the first fraction, and then the second fraction, which is 5/6. Then multiply. And then of course, yung first step, in multiplying fractions. I-multiply yung dalawang numerator. Meaning, you have to multiply 1 and 5. So 1 times 5, we have 5. Then, multiply denominator to another denominator, which is 2 and 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. So, we have 5 twelves or 5 over 12. O, di ba? Exactly the same sa bar model or block model na method. 512. So, alin ang mas madali? Itong shortcut method or itong block model method? Sana naintindihan nyo yung explanation ko. Maraming salamat.